ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Our office Bengaluru ಇದೆ. And the
paper
entire transaction taken place in
Sir.
Bangalore.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇರೋ ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು ತಾನೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ನೀವೇ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಚೆನ್ನೈ.
GPA ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. That is why.
Sir, I have passed an order rejecting the application, vacating the. How could you unilaterally revoke it? Address Chennai was given, that is the thing, right? He was residing in Chennai. No, he was residing in Chennai knowing full well you take a paper publication in Bangalore. I think that's the case, right?
Our complaint issue publication ಆಗಿ cancellation ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅವರು ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ.
ಅದು ಮುಂಚೆ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಒಂದು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು?
ನೋಟಿಸ್
No, where was the warrant for you not to issue a notice before cancellation? So there is something more than what meets the eye. ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, my lord.
I've already ordered. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ?
Urgency is this, my lord. The case filed as my lord counterblast there, my lord, in Chennai. When we filed petition, it has been dismissed. Now that is being investigated. Here the simple issue is this, my lord. The GPA has been cancelled, duly communicated, and thereafter, my lord, he entered into sale deed.
GPA has been cancelled and duly communicated.
Yes, my lord.
So that becomes an undue communication.
No, my lord.
Prior to that,
It
you
is
have to
admitted
communicate.
fact. In their own complaint, they say they know,
I am
they were aware.
as simple.
Lord, once it is right or wrong-
One simple question. Last time I asked you, what stopped you from sending it earlier? You know they are in Chennai, you take a paper publication in Bangalore. Is it not absolutely unbecoming?
Property is in Bangalore.
So what? ಅದು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು?
But we
ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ
Lord,
ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು?
it is undisputed
Sir,
fact that they.
ಅವ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಇದಾರೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾನೆ?
Lord, the cancellation aspect
Chennai
is brought to their
ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, you're begging the question. ಚೆನ್ನೈಲಿ ಇದಾರೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು ತಾನೆ?
notice.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್?
Lord, it is my lord.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್? ಆಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಸ್ ದಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Lord, their
ಅಲ್-
office,
ಅಲ್ಲೂ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
our office Bengaluru ಇದೆ.
ಈ
And the
ಪೇಪರ್
entire transaction taken place in
Sir.
Bangalore.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇರೋ ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು ತಾನೆ?
ಚೆನ್ನೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ನೀವೇ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಚೆನ್ನೈ.
GPA ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. That is why.
Sir, I have passed an order rejecting the application, vacating the interim order. I forgot to say admit post for hearing in usual course. Today I will do it.
Lord, what happened is, my lord,
Today I will do that.
our office ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. Lord, to act as an agent in respect of a property in Bangalore, it has been given. And
No
duly
problem, sir.
Lord, they are not disputing that we have communicated the cancellation. They are not disputing. Their own complaint
Out, sir,
says this
post
is
facto
admitted.
communication, definitely they are not
Thereafter,
disputing.
he entered into sale deed. That is the issue, my lord. Here, that is what the exact issue.
Sir, 1993 is the GPA. 93, what date is that?
Not 93.
2004 is sale, what is that?
2022 onwards, my lord.
Ah,
entire
GPA.
transaction.
All right.
My lord, cancelled and communicated. They admitted.
Cancelled and communicated.
Yes. My lord, there is no-
Communicated and
there
cancelled
is
would
no
have been
interest
better.
created. My lord, unilateral is
Vast difference between cancelled and communicated and
But there
cancelled.
is no interest created by way of GPA. It is a
No.
simplicity.
Maybe,
There's
sir.
Nothing.
No interest created, alleging fraud now.
No, the same thing I am also alleging against them.
That is why you are
That is
alleging fraud
Reason
now.
why both should be investigated otherwise.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
But my lord,
Next flight to Delhi you should have taken. As
They
simple
had
as that.
taken to the Supreme Court, lost the matter.
Which one?
The
that
one
one,
which
no,
has
not
been
this one.
dismissed against them.
The complaint
No,
we have
they-
filed, they
they-
have challenged in Madras, dismissed, challenged in Supreme Court, dismissed.
that was, my lord, that was dismissed. But my lord, again here my allegation is that after cancellation of the GPA, he entered, my lord, the sale deed. The
Can-
sale is done pursuant to cancellation.
Correct, sir. If you had
There's
known
no-
the,
there
if
is
you had
no
known the cancellation,
But
you
there's
would not
no
have.
interest created.
Sir, if you had known the cancellation, you would not have.
He knows, my lord, he has no.
ಅದೇ after that. After cancellation.
My lord, now there is no interest created from that GPA.
There is no interest to take that. matter.
5.5 crores
ಬರ್ದಾಗಿದೆ.
they had
My
taken.
lord, let both the matter
5.5
be
crores.
For the GPA.
For, yes, the entire building was constructed at my cost, bank transaction, cash transaction.
But my lord,
And
it is.
the
No, that is precisely why he has not communicated with GPA.
4.95
cancellation.
lakhs paid for GPA registration,
That's what I've written. I guess.
not
Registration
1,500
charges.
rupees.
Not that
That-
the sale
that shows,
consideration or any
The
consideration.
bona fides.
Total absence of bona fides, bordering on malefides.
On the ground that it is a civil dispute, my lord, our
Nothing.
petition has been dismissed
Nothing.
before the Chennai High Court. and the same has been confirmed.
Supreme Court.
My lord, let both
ಇದನ್ನು
be
ತಗೊಂಡು let both be confirmed.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು. There are two
ಎಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ.
versions, my lord.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Entire case, my lord, revolves around the civil transaction or commercial transaction, my lord. And my lord, both let the matters be
No, sir.
investigated.
Not at all. Merely for the asking, it will not be done. Anyway, I have passed a detailed interim order on vacating the interim order.
That is- But date has been given to dispose
Confirming
it of,
the
my lord, your
interim
lordship may decide.
No, sir. No time now. We'll dispose it. We'll take it in,
Maybe.
we'll take it on 28th September or something. We'll take it leisurely. What's your hurry?
A Ramesh Senior Advocate.
A Ramesh heard the learned Senior Counsel Arun Sham and A Ramesh, Senior Advocate representing the respondent. This court, by a detailed order after hearing the parties, has thought it fit to reject the application seeking, reject ಅಲ್ಲ,
Vacate
Yeah,
it.
vacate.
reject the application seeking vacation. ಅದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ನಿಂತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Reject the application seeking vacation of the interim order. There is no warrant of hearing the matter at, on any ground of urgency. List the matter on 28th is. Now you should take it there.
No, my lord. Your lordship, here and dispose it of, my lord. There are so many other things because it is a disputed fact.
So many other things, important things.
Disputed facts, my lord.
ಚೆನ್ನೈಲಿ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತ
Cannot be
ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಬೇಕಂತ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನೀವು.
ಅವರು ಅದೇ ತರ
ಮತ್ತೆ?
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ.
Correct. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
This
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
is behind me. They have
ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 15 ದಿವಸ ಒಳಗಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು.
ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ.
But same way, my lord, even this
ಸೇಮ್
one,
ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
the allegation is, my lord,
No,
it's
no,
a
this
nature
is
of counter allegation.
ತನಿವಳಿ. Yes. Next. 28th will take it. No hurry.
Yes.